Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back, everyone. Received a package today. This one, I didn't get sponsored, I asked. But, it is supposed to be my Spektrum S2200 charger. I had a couple other Spektrum runs, the ones that weren't as fancy, and they're basically crap. Seems like every time I go use them, they're either not working or something like that. Now, hopefully you guys can hear me pretty well. As you can get it from, not on eBay, but place is Ace Hardware. That don't sound right, but of course you got your little instruction manual. Got this. Then you got the charger itself right there. Then you got the cord. RC hobby is not a cheap hobby, but to do the job right and not avoid your warranties. I don't know about Horizon Hobby, but I know with Tractodus, they are very picky about using other chargers on their batteries. I don't know if that's the same for Horizon Hobby. I'd expect so, just from a business standpoint. Take that little part off. Just basically plugs in the back there. I think, not 100% sure, but I think I might just have just enough Okay, I'm going to turn you guys to my battery compartment over there. Let me get the two 5,000 ones. Should not only have to be one 5,000 one. I have three of them, but I guess the other two are somewhere down below where I usually work on RCs. But this is the loft. I've moved everything up here. So okay. And now the reason why I went ahead and got this is because oh, well, that's easy. The reason why I got this charger is because it has two ports, and they're also IC3 and IC5, I believe. Now, they do make the S2100, and that's only one port, but one port, but it has both the connectors. I was gonna think about getting that, but with how many Spektrum batteries I got, I just thought spend the extra 100 and get the dual one. So It's charging away, I believe. Got some new ESCs for my boat, which I'll go ahead and bring my boat up there. I don't know if I'll be able to fit it up on here, but can you guys see it? Yeah, there's my boat. Move you guys back some. So there's my boat. It is the Miss Geico 36 Twin. It's an awesome boat. This is actually my second one because the first one, the hull cracked and Horizon warranted the boat, and just because it was unfixable, they just gave me a whole new boat and scrapped that one. Now, there is a couple fiberglass not stress marks on here. Ain't too bad. And I'm missing my drain plug, so that's not good. Good thing I checked that, because I did start working on this. Horizon did send me 2 ESCs under warranty. They actually sent me 4. So the first 2 they sent, I don't know what was the deal, but they sent me the wrong ones and they didn't want them back, so I got 2 wrong ESCs, and they finally sent me the right ones. And they did send me another receiver because I was having problems with my receiver. But yeah, it's a pretty fun boat. Gets up and goes. I might, to make it look different than all the other Miss Geicos, I might just take all the paint off, paint it a little different color, custom stickers and stuff, because stickers on here are just ones I get from when I get tools and stuff. Got some couple more stickers I could put in here maybe, but I don't know. I think it'd look good in dark blue or something like that with black stripes. But I gotta find the drain plug. It's only at 9%. I gotta find the drain plug. I got to find the other ESC, which I found one, but I think it might be an old one. So I gotta find the new other ESC. Gotta find the receiver. The transmitter. The receiver's already in here. Gotta hook all this up, bolt it down. I got some more water lines on the way. Looks like I stole some fuel line off one of my nitros. I think that's the clock down there acting up, but yeah, we're already at 13%, so this thing's working pretty good. So this is basically mostly an unboxing video of the charger. So far, I haven't put 2 batteries on it, but for one battery, it's charging fast. I did hear on one charger, I think it can do like 300 or 600 watts, something ridiculous. That's what sold me on it, and yeah. Have this in here because the other one broke. Just fans going on. Now it jumped up to 56.28. So yeah, so pretty cool. I'm not gonna bore you guys. I'm gonna go find all the parts, and then I'm gonna make a whole nother video. So make sure you turn on notifications and hit be subscribed so you can see that video where we finish fixing the boat. And then after that, I'm gonna make a driving video, and I'm gonna go test it out. So hope you guys look forward to them videos. And it's a little different. I mean, my channel was started on RC cars, then it moved to ATVs, and now it's tractors and stuff. But I'm gonna get back to roots and basically what I call my RC studio. All types of stuff. As you see, I got a massive RC collection, so yeah. And got tons of work to do. We're gonna get the boat going, right? And then after that, we're probably going to get the whatever, I forgot what this is called, but it needs a new control arm, and that'll be going. And then I got a bunch of nitros. Those are a lot of work. My helicopter's broke and got tons and tons of work. Alright, well, man, it's already at 70%. I don't know if that's right or not, but man, that's charging fast. I mean, I guess with that much power, it's probably charging fast, but catch you guys on the next one.